Alright, today I'm going to do an open box and short review of the DDS182-02. This is a brushless drill kit, 18 volt from Bosch, and it comes with the drill, 2 batteries, and the charger. Let's open it up. Case, charger, let's see what we got. BC660 charger, output 10.8 to 18 volt, 2 amp. So this is fast charger. 2 amp charger, fast charger, and it can charge a variety of batteries from 10.8 volt to 18 volts. Alright, let's see the batteries. BAT612, 18 volt, 2 amp hour, 36 watt hour. Wow, there's no light at all. It's completely discharged. Let's see what we got in here. Belt hook. Let's see what else. This little thingy, not sure what it is. It's a bit holder, I think it's a bit holder. What else? Oh, treasure in here. Oh, nice. Let's see, we got manual, 3-year warranty. Alright. And we have this bit set, which is pretty nice. We got this. Let's see if it's magnetic. It is. It's a magnetic bit. Looks like a very good quality bit. Very nice. Most drills do not come with this magnetic bit holder, so this is something you have to buy separately, but this kit has this, which is very nice. I like it, and the fact that it's magnetic makes it even nicer. And these look like a very nice quality bit. And we got a hex bit, square bit, and a flat bit. Alright, let's put this back in here. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, just this thingy. Some mounts, screw, so it goes to the side, I guess. It's nice. So you can put different bits in here. Let me see if we can do that, since I have these bits here. So put it like this, like that, and like that. Oh, that's nice. Cool. I've never seen this before. I mean, let's see if we can mount on the drill. Alright. the way. Let's see, this case is just a cheap case. I mean, it serves no purpose other than putting your drill in, and I don't know if this is any useful. Very cheap case. But let's see. So we got this here. We mount this in here like so, and the other side you mount the belt hook. That's nice. Let's try this. Right, so let me mount this on, see what happens. On the drill. Nice. You swivel around. Okay. There's one bar on this battery. The tube speed drill. And let's see what we got. DDS182 and speed is 500 RPM for the first gear, 1700 RPM for the second gear. Let me see what I have on my DeWalt here. As a comparison, this is also the DeWalt brushless motor. This is the Bosch brushless motor. So let's see, the DeWalt DDS182-02. We got first gear 0 to 600 RPM, the second gear to 2000 RPM. So the RPM on this is less than the DeWalt. That's why I feel a little bit slow on the second gear compared to the DeWalt. Yeah, the DeWalt is a lot faster speed compared to this drill. Alright, and let's see, there's an LED light here, which is a single LED, and the clutch, and then you have to go all the way to the end for the drill action. Already scratch. Brushless motor. Nice. There's no sparks. Usually I see sparks in here with a brush motor drill. No sparks. Let's see what else we got. Right, so I've just took a break and plugged in the battery to charge because this one was completely empty. And in 15 minutes it goes up to 2 bars. So that is pretty fast. So I would say in less than half an hour we charge this battery from completely empty to full in less than half an hour. So that is pretty fast. And let's see. There's one thing here I don't like about this drill. This chuck here is plastic. This part here, this is metal. This part is metal, this is plastic. Now I will show you. I got a magnet here. That's metal. Look at this. It doesn't really stick. Well, it does stick because underneath this thin plastic chuck here is metal. That's why my magnet stick to it, but it doesn't really stick if I put it like this. See? So with this part here is plastic too. See? It's also plastic, this part here. So this from here down all the way to here is plastic. Only this part here is metal. This is also plastic. Let's see. You got a rubber mold around here, so it's got very nice grip. And let me compare with the other drills I have here. This is the Walt, and this is the rigid. All of these are brushless drill, right? And the wall is all metal chucks. See, all this part here is metal, all metal. And same for the rigid brushless drill, metal. It's painted black, but it's metal. This one is also black, but it's not painted. It's plastic, so it feels really cheap. And over time, this part here is gonna wear out faster if it's plastic. As you can see from my DeWalt drill, I don't use it a lot, but it still wears out. This part up here, as you can see. So it only has a little bit of protection with the metal part, with the metal ring on the front, but that plastic piece is gonna wear out. By the way, since I have all my drills here, different brands, they are brushless drills. I'm just gonna do a short comparison among these. And first, I want to go with the noise level, and I'm gonna let you listen and compare the noise between these drills. They're all set at number 2 speed, 2nd gear, and just gonna run to see how loud each one is. Right? First with the DeWalt, and then the Bosch, and then the rigid. Right? That's the DeWalt. That's the Bosch, and now the rigid. So as you can see, the rigid drill is the loudest, and it's got high pitch noise to it. I'll show you again. It's really not high pitch noise. Pretty loud too. Here's the Bosch. It's a lower pitch, but still louder than the DeWalt. Let's hear the Bosch again. And now the DeWalt. See, completely almost silent. See how silent that is? Let's hear the Bosch again. See, I think it's almost twice as loud, and this one is like 3 times as loud, and it's even higher pitched. See that? That's the rigid. Pretty loud. So as a noise level, the DeWalt wins. And if you use your drill a lot and you want to live a long life with good hearing, I recommend the DeWalt. And if you want to be deaf by the time you reach 50 years old, I recommend you the rigid. By the way, this is a hammer drill, not a compact drill, but just as a comparison. Right, so next I got my scale here, and let's compare how much they weigh. And first up is the Bosch. Right here. 2 pound 12.6 ounce. The wall, 2 pound 9.6 ounce. Wow, so this is 3 ounce, exactly 3 ounce lighter than the Bosch. And last, the rigid. Well, this one is a hammer drill, but let's just weigh it for the heck of it, just because it's here. So, rigid hammer drill, 3 pound 2.3 ounce. So it's about half a pound heavier than this jewel, but it's a hammer drill, so it doesn't count. But the let's see, 2 pound 12.6, 2 pound 9.6. So the wall wins again as far as weight goes. So the Bosch is a little bit heavier than the DeWalt. And next, let's compare the size. As you can see, it's pretty much the same size. Let's see the way. I'm just gonna eyeball it, see which one is longer. I think that the DeWalt is longer. I think it's about. It's about. So the Bosch drill is more compact than the DeWalt. I would say about from the nose to this part here, and it's about 3 millimeter shorter, about 2 to 3 millimeter shorter than the DeWalt. So the Bosch wins. That's one thing I want to show you. The Bosch drill, the chuck has a retaining ring right here. Not sure how well you can see on the camera, but the black piece here around is a retaining ring, and it allows the head of the chuck to spin freely. I'm not sure how good this ring is, because when you work drilling or driving screw, this part here seems to be beat up a lot, and someday it's gonna make the ring come loose. Might, I don't know, it might. Show you on the DeWalt drill. There's nothing, there's no retaining ring, and I can't spin it with the DeWalt. And there's nothing to hold this like here. So I would say someday you are too rough on the drill, you might get the ring loose, and all the front parts are gonna come loose. Alright. Right, next, I'm going to drive some screws. I don't have a thick piece of wood, so I'm going to use two of these together. Drive a 3-inch screw. Should be able to penetrate all the way through, like so. Like so. So, through the first piece, and then through the second piece. And I got some holes here, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use drive straight through without a pellet hole. See how well it does. And I set the torque setting to maximum, which is 18 on this drill. and see how good it is. Alright, ready? Strip my screw. By the way, this is the bit from the set. It doesn't really grip the screw really well because it's sort of small, but I think it's good quality because you can see it stripped the screw, but the head is intact. It looks like a hardened steel, carbon steel bit. My screw is stripped. This is intact, so I get another screw and probably a new bit because this bit won't grab. Right, I'm back. Got this screw here, which is a little bit fatter than a regular 3-inch screw, so it's a bit harder to drive through the woods than these, but let's just try it. I got a different bit. Let's see, I hope it grabs better. Let's try a new spot. Something happened. Thought my battery is dead, but I hope not. Let's try it before battery dies, eh? Strip my screw again. Strip my screw again. Let's try something else. Alright, let's try again. Hopefully third time is a charm. I got a different screw. Will fit snug to my bit. And the previous screw stripped, probably because it doesn't fit well. So it's just strip. Let's try again. Without hesitation, all the way in. You can see all the way in through these two pieces of wood, like so. That is pretty good. Alright, while I'm at it, I just want to try my DeWalt drill, see how well it performs as a comparison to the Bosch, just because we have it here. So let's see, I'm putting torque to the maximum torque. Let's see how well it goes. By the way, I use the first gear instead because the second gear is way too fast. Alright, here it goes. And it sank the screw in. As you can see, the DeWalt drill is a bit quieter. It's more quiet. And it's got more torque. It sank the screw in. You see that? The Bosch did not sink the screw in. Let's see if I can do it from here. Well, actually it does. I just didn't push it. So they both sink the screw in, but the DeWalt sink in a little bit more. As you can see, and it's easier. It's sinking. I can feel it stronger than the Bosch. Alright, so there you have it. the Bosch DDS182 Brushless drill, and it is a very good drill, very compact and a good drill. And but compared to the DeWalt, the DeWalt is a bit better. It's just my opinion, but this drill is still very good. It performs beyond my expectation. So, and price wise, they're pretty much the same price. So if you're starting out, I would recommend this, the DeWalt. But if you have other Bosch 20-volt cordless tool and you want to add the drill to your toolkit, then this drill is still very good to have. Alright folks, I think that's all I have for now, and thank you for watching.